Okay, it's May 1, year 2011. We are here in a UP field, so let me show you our field here. Give you a 360 view. Lots of modular here. There. Later, Arnold going to show us his multi-rotor helicopter. Okay. Looks like Arnold is the king of multi-rotor here. There's Arnold.
Yeah, morning.
Look at his toy. Look at his toy. Okay, he has a, what do you call this? Hexapod?
Hexacopter.
Hexacopter there. It's also a quadcopter. These are all GPS based, and there's a laptop to show where the helicopter going. And here's a Radio Shack quadcopter with a camera. Later Arnold will show us how it flies. See, there's a camera, and it's guided by ultrasonic for during landing. Nice toy. Yeah. And Arnold is using you're also using this radio for your Radio Shack? Radio Shack.
No. For the Radio Shack.
I think Radio Shack has its own transmitter. Arnold's using a JR11X. Okay? There you go. There guys, I just trust my Copter X, okay? Because I get used to fly a bigger helicopter. So I'm not used to the response of a smaller helicopter, so I trust it. I think I corrected it. There! Just break the spindle. Next time I will try to use a wood blade. There's Gerard! How's my plane?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah! I miss my plane! Yeah! Yeah, later. Look at using a huge receiver. There!
Hi there.
Okay! Now let's see how Arnold flies his multi-rotor helicopter. By the way, this helicopter has a built-in GPS, okay? Nice. It's made by Arnold. Just imagine, you cannot just bought this in the internet. Diba? You need to make your own. Yeah. Ano yan? New helicopter? Oh, galing yan ah. Saan mo nabili? Oh, galing! Sige yan?
Hindi, kaya lang. Ganda!
Galing ah! Ganda! How much? 2,000 lang?
Talaga?
With servo na.
Really?
Wow!
Wala lang receiver.
Wow!
Really cheap ah? Talaga?
Pwede
2,000?
bang magpahabol?
Pwede ba mahabol? It's a Cessna 182 ah. It's a 3 channel. Ah no, it's 4 channel.
2,000?
Galing! 2,000 lang! Just imagine! Di na ito nang bibiling ko. Di na ako bibili yung second hand. Ah, 2,000 lang? Cheap!
Oh, nainggit na naman kayo.
2,000, imagine!
Walang receiver?
Hindi, kahit na...
Oo nga, pwede na.
With servo?
Yeah. Galing.
ESC.
Just imagine!
Meron?
Ha?
May ESC?
Oh, kasama.
Wow!
It's cost less than $50?
Yeah.
Really?
Wow!
Hey guys, it's really a cheap plane ha? And the quality is
2,000 no? Receiver lang wala?
It's
Sticker.
Yeah.
Apply. For servo, it's already installed.
readily installed ha? Less than $50 with a 3 servo built-in with motor
Receiver na lang.
Yeah, with what?
and ESC.
Mhm.
That's really cheap.
Kailan ka bibili?
Pabili
Para
ako.
sabay-sabay tayo.
This is the best looking small
Have you seen?
maybe let's see how it fly later. First time?
Elion.
Okay.
Let me fly it first kasi.
Yeah.
Dihydral.
Okay.
Dati ka na
Not
nag-plane.
bad ah.
Tapos magnet pa.
Wow, it's a
Ano nalaman to
Magnet.
mount secure by a magnet ah. Yeah.
Okay. Sige, para every weekend dito lang.
Yan.
Ang galing! This is the best looking Cessna. Small, no? Scale looking. Galing, no?
Para bibili ako.
Pare, ito na bibilin ko. Ayoko na isa. You know, I used to have a very huge Cessna. I have a 7 feet long Cessna
May
plane.
motor na. May prop.
Brushless motor pa.
I think so.
Wow!
Konti defect lang dumating.
It's really a bargain.
Oo nga.
Yung ano niya, propeller tanggal.
Talaga?
Epoxy.
Okay guys, so see us in YouTube, Bye!